Hi, Rosina. Are you here? Say hello to us.
Yeah, hi Neelu.
Thank you
Hi.
for
Rosina
coming
here.
on.
Yeah, my experience started with Mystic Lotus, and I got introduced to Kavita ji and Vijay ji through Mystic Lotus. And at the first time when I heard what is Markaba and all those things, it was like, what am I listening to? So that was the reaction completely. But one point that struck me when Vijay talked about, like, how your feminine energy and masculine energy depends on what pains are there on your side body of the body. I got connected. I learned Markaba with Kavita ji, and my experience was amazing after that because I'm a Reiki master, but I never got an. I didn't felt like practicing it because you have to sit for 20 minutes. I said, why do I have to sit for 20 minutes, 30 minutes to just to heal myself and then heal others? And this was a very quick response which I got from Kavita ji. And when I was doing my healing, I found that I'm ascension. Plus, when I'm healing somebody else, I'm healing myself as well. So many things are opening up for me. And now what I've started doing is I've started experimenting with Markapa. So, like I started doing auto writing, and to my surprise, it was amazing. Then I just did a face reading for just a photograph reading for somebody, and it also came up to be very apt. And making an experiments and everything is like just amazing for me. And the tool is so, I would say, it is my daily tool now. I cannot stay with it. Like every day, just at least, even not even for 5 minutes, also just for 2 minutes or 1 minute, I just remember Markaba, and I'm like, I feel like I'm charged completely. So that's the beauty of this tool, and that's amazing. And thank you so much. And the best part I loved about Sattva Karni team is they are always, always, always there with us. So whenever we are stuck, they always come and they will help you. They will guide you. And if you're doing something wrong, as a mentor, they'll also give you a good blast on your face. So
Rosina.
that's and I like that so much. Like इतना अच्छा लगता है ना वो जब ये सब मिलता है कि हाँ no somebody is there to help you out. Somebody is there to who's caring for you. So
Right.
that's where the love and affection that comes up. And whenever we meet, like when I meet Kavita ji and Vijay ji, especially Kavita ji, it's like you feel like oh wow, you're in a completely protected environment now. Nobody's there to touch you.
Wow.
And this is the platform I should thank Mystic Lotus as well as Kavita ji and Sattva Karni team. That thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you for coming on, Rosina. And Kavita ji, what Rosina just mentioned that she's now using Markaba to experiment with other things. So, how
Yeah.
amazing is that?
Let me tell you one thing now. Our intention, why it is called the doctrine of Merkaba. Our
Kavita ji,
aim is to
sorry.
do some.
Kavita ji, sorry, you've gone off video.
My video?
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yes.
You know what? Why this is called the doctrine of Merkaba? Our aim is to do research in Merkaba, more and more research in Merkaba.
Right.
So, we actually, when after doing the part two, we have a Markaba house, like, where we meet always. And then, just as now, she has, that is her, we have not taught her how to do auto writing with Markaba or how to do face reading with Markaba. That is her own research, is her own learning, So when such students, they practice on their own, everybody comes out with something or the other, and we also learn from them. And then we know, yes, Markaba can do this also. Markaba can help you in auto writing. Markaba can help you in face reading. So this is what, as we practice together, as we get together, in the Markaba house, this is our aim, After I do the part one, we are part of the Markaba house. We keep meeting, and then we keep talking about things. Everybody has his own way of research or using the tool. Like
Right.
one person, he told me, Markaba has become my lover, Yeah. And he said, I told my lover to wake me up at 6 o'clock. Yeah. And sharp at 6 o'clock, I got up. Yeah. So this is this is like fun using Merkaba. You can use it in
Right.
any way.
Right.
It helps you in every, whatever you ask, you get. I don't think there's a single thing that we have asked Merkaba and we have not got. Yeah.